Before we move on, let's take a quick look at what we've covered in this chapter. First of all, we changed the site name through the Site Information form. We added some new content and set one of the pieces of content as the default homepage. In that process, we talked about what nodes are. Nodes are an important concept with Drupal, and even though in much of the user interface the word node has been changed to content, it's important to understand the difference between content in general and nodes specifically as a type of content. We added a menu item for a piece of content to add it alongside the Home tab in the top navigation. And in the process, we talked about weights. And then finally, we wrapped up by taking a look at the module listing page in order to look for a module that would help us build a contact form for our site. From here, there's a few things you can do to challenge yourself before you move on. First of all, you can review the entire module listings page and find a module that adds a poll to your site. Now, knowing what modules are available to you in Drupal core will help you identify where there are parts where you can simply enable a module instead of going to Drupal.org and downloading an additional module. Next, you can explore the other options in the site information page and create and set a new page for the 404 page not found error page, just like we did for the front page. And then you can test it by going to a page that doesn't exist. Finally, you can add a new menu with links to 3 of the administration pages that we've used on the site so far. When you're ready, go ahead and move on to the next chapter.